What is going on, everybody? I am having a fantastic time right now. If you look around, you may notice I am not out in my driveway in the cold and the dark because I have a garage now. This is an amazing garage. It is kind of a life dream of mine to have a spot such as this, and we have one now. We got 30 feet deep, we got 12-foot ceilings, we got 10-foot garage doors, we got 3 bays. It's pretty freaking awesome. And this time of the year, I live in northern Kentucky near Cincinnati, Ohio, and this time of the year it gets dark really early. It's cold, it's snowing out right now, it's windy. Wind doesn't make good video audio, and I couldn't really ever make videos this time of the year. I get off work and it's dark out and you're kind of out of luck. So this is going to help productivity a lot more, videos a lot more, being able to come out here and get things done. Right now I got my Suburban here and I got a headlight out, and instead of just putting another incandescent bulb in there, I got LEDs all through this truck except for the headlights. So I finally went ahead and picked up some new headlights here, headlight bulbs. I tried to get some more normal style ones. They got like a cooling fan in the back of them. They actually don't, there's not room behind this headlight for that. You got to get these ribbon style ones. And hopefully these work out pretty good. I'll go ahead, we're going to get one side done, and then we got a nice wall here we can compare it to. These are pretty easy to get out. I'm probably not going to film it just because it's so simple. All you got to do, you got a bolt here, you got a bolt here, and then I'm going to take loose this fender lining here. I got this little guy here, a little plastic one there. Pop this out, and there's a bolt underneath this bumper, like right there. So I'm just going to pop that out, grab that 10mm head, and these two right here, and then we'll get this out. So once you get those fasteners off this piece here, this just pulls out like that, and you can see that bolt right there for your headlight. Now this is about as far as I can get it out. It doesn't really want to come out all the way. I'm not really going to fight it because that's plenty of room to reach what I need to reach right there. So we'll just go ahead and pop that out. This is the one likes to not work sometimes like that. This bulb's kind of got a mind of its own. I'm not really sure what its deal is. You'll hit a bump or something and it'll go out. And I've come underneath here and I've messed with the wiring and stuff, jiggled it all around. I can't get it to go out. But when it does go out, if I just go like that, it comes back on. I feel like it's more the bulb than it is the wiring. So anyway, we'll go ahead and replace it, and hopefully that fixes that problem I was having. So installation is going to be pretty simple. These are just going to twist in just like the factory ones. Now sometimes with these LEDs, they only work one way. If you plug in the connector backwards, they won't work. I don't know if these are that way or not, but we'll plug them in, and if one of them doesn't work, or both of them doesn't work, we'll know why. But these inside these connectors, they're made so they can go either way. So we'll just guess here, and hopefully these things work. Okay, as you can see, we have a non-working headlight, so I think I should just be able to flip this around, and then we should be in good shape. So I had it backwards. I didn't notice this at first, but it says positive, negative right there. Obviously my black wire is the negative one, so if you look carefully, you can put it in right the first time. So you can tell that color is a lot nicer looking and more modern looking than your regular bulb over here. So let me get that back in there. We'll kind of compare how they look. So instead of having a cooling fan, these just have these little ribbons, which are great if you have a lack of clearance like we do. But what you want to do is just kind of get your finger in there, probably take the sticker off, You just kind of want to make these almost like a circle and kind of fan them out. So just get your finger in the middle of it and spread it open. There we go. And that should be able to dissipate the heat that the bulb makes. And here she is all done. It looks way better. We'll even close the hood here. Did you find your ball? Yeah, that looks way better. This is a 2007 and looks a lot more modern now. So I like that. And then I did the brights too. So there's low beams and then the brights. Looks pretty good. Oh wow, that's a lot wider. It really makes things easier to see. Yeah, that's way better. It really is a huge difference. I got a semi truck I drive, it's got LED headlights too, and I noticed it when I drove it also. If you look, man, like the little white lines, they're so white, and they like, you can see them for like a ways out. And like, see that street sign over there? Like all the signs like light up. It looks like they're like almost illuminated. They like light up from like so far away. It's really quite a bit different than regular headlights. It looks like that sign's like glowing in the dark. We actually have like up in Fairfield, Ohio, they have like some street signs that actually like do light up. And they look just like these reflective ones almost. Like there's a mostly like green street signs, and like it kind of looks just like that green one right there. It's just like the reflectors in the signs, they work so much better with these LED lights. Well, thanks you guys for watching. Like I said, I'm gonna get some lights up in here. We got a bunch of tools to bring over. I'm gonna get a lift. I can't wait to have a lift. That's gonna be so awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all next time.